在家，麦当，麦当。哇！这是什么？
Crack and plywood protecting his own window, Sarabia keeps an eye on the powerful storm. Shingles peeled from the roof become dangerous projectiles caught in wind gusts as high as 175 miles per hour.
Oh, no.
Harder becomes alarmed by what he sees and shouts disturbing news to his brother-in-law across the street.
Johnny, you're losing your roof.
And they were flopping in the wind, so we ran downstairs pretty quickly because we knew that it was just a matter of time before the whole thing went.
Oh my God. Your roof is going!
The roof lifts and settles. The walls shake in the wind. As neighbors look on in horror.
There it goes.
Finally, Sarabia's roof, their only cover from the deadly storm, tears away from the house.
Crossing the road a quarter mile. There goes, look at the house. The house is coming apart. Oh my God. Did you see that? The whole house came apart.
We should just let it go. Oh no?
We're gonna have to let it go. We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into the wind. Turn into the wind. Turn into the wind.
Oh boy!
Guarda lì! Guarda là, assolutamente!
Dramatic scenes in Italy as mobile phone footage captures the moment that a strong tornado makes landfall near Milan. The tornado, which reached grade 3 on the Fujita scale, hit Trezzo Solada and Grezzago in the province of...
Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I got glass in my back, but I gotta check on these people.
Two-story apartment complexes in the housing complex here.